Affinity 3 has something we've been asking for quite a while, and you can now trace images inside of Affinity 3. So in this tutorial, we're going to take a look at that. First of all, make sure you're in the pixel environment in Affinity 3. And I have this image here. As you can see, it's an image here. Let me just enlarge this bit. What we're going to do now, because as far as I can tell, this is a destructive option. So we're going to duplicate this image, which you can do by right-clicking and then choosing duplicate, or selecting it and pressing Ctrl-Command-J. Now I'm going to select my top image here. I'm going to name it Trace. And then I'll hide my bottom image. Select the image you want to trace, go to Vector, and in Vector you can choose Image Trace. Now you get first the assistant saying that it will be rasterized because it wasn't before. And then you also get an image trace window in which you can fine-tune your tracing. So the edge threshold, as you can see. And then the curve fitting tolerance. So just play around with that until you're happy. And then also you have this no split view if you want to see the difference. And then you also have mirror view to see them side by side. So here you see the non-traced image and the image. So once you're happy, click apply. And now Affinity will trace that image for you. And then you go to the layers window here. You open this up. As you can see, you have all traces here available. And what you can do now also is select a trace here and then just change the color if you want to change it. Like that. Which is now possible because you traced your image. And you can change all the traces you want to. You can also change the size, but that would kind of ruin the design, but you can change it. And then you can also change the colors and all that. So now you can trace your images in Affinity 3, and this is how you can do it. Like the video if you liked it, subscribe if you want to see more of my videos, and as always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.